Now in this video, let us see one more question from time and work. A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do it in 12 days. Find how much time they will take to complete the work if B leaves 2 days before the actual completion of work. First, let us understand what is actual completion. We know that work is done, but we don't know the situations that happened in the process of completing that work. That means we know work is done, but we don't know what are the situations that happened in the process of completing the work. Now in the question, they have given some particular situation or particular scenario. If this scenario had occurred in the process of completing the work, we need to find out the number of days it took to complete the work. So this is what we need to find out. We know the scenario and we need to find out number of days to complete the work. This is what we need to find out. Now let us solve this question. What they have given? They have given that A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do it in 12 days. Now we need to assume a value for work done. What is the ideal value for work done? LCM of 10 and 12. Why? Because it makes our calculations easier. So work done is LCM of 10 and 12, which is 60. Now we need to find out 1 day work of A and B. A, B, work per day. The total work is 60 units and A does it in 10 days. Then what is 1 day work of A? 60 by 10, which is 6 units per day. Thus, in the same way, 1 day work of B is 60 by 12, which is 5 units per day. Now what is 1 day work of A and B combined? 11 units per day. Now we will use all these values to solve our problem. Now what situation they have given? They have given that B left 2 days before the completion of work. That means for the last 2 days only A worked. If you see, for suppose this is the entire timeline that took to complete the work. Let us consider this as X. Now for the last 2 days only A worked because B left, and for the remaining days both A and B worked. So if A works for 2 days, then the number of units he completes is 6 into 2, which is 12. So 12 units of work is done in last 2 days. Then what is the remaining number of units? 48. To complete this 48 units of work, how many days A and B will take? Which is nothing but 48 by 11, because A plus B 1 day work is 11 units. To complete 48 units, they will take 48 by 11 units. Now the total number of days is 2 days plus this one 48 by 11 days. 2 plus 48 by 11, which is 2 plus 4 plus 4 by 11, which is 6 4 by 11. So this is the actual completion of work.